Remember, tariff is nothing but a tax. So the world price was $10. You slap 20% on top of that, and the price, including the tariff, is $12. Now, that's still below our equilibrium kind of internally determined price, but you can see it's higher than the world price. So you can see that if previously only 100 units or 100,000 units were supplied at the world price of $10 domestically, now our domestic suppliers are willing to supply 120,000 units. And because the price has now risen to $12, our consumers are only willing to demand the 170,000 units. So you can see here that our imports have shrunk from 100K to 50K, right? So the difference here between 170 and 120 is 50K. So one reason why a tariff may be imposed is if you are running a current account deficit. For example, America comes to mind when we talk about trade deficits. Well, if you have a very, very big trade deficit and you want to narrow your trade deficit, you want to make it improve or you want to make it less negative, you can impose a tariff. And what the tariff does is it stimulates, of course, your domestic suppliers to increase production because the price in the domestic market is rising. And of course, your consumers are consuming less, so that results in fewer imports.